Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Ahmed Shukri. So today we'll present to you about the phototherapy unit. In the agenda, we'll begin with the introduction and then explain the device theory, instrumentation, technical aspects, and we'll end up with the conclusion. So in the introduction, the phototherapy device is used for patients who suffer from skin issues like eczema, psoriasis, vitiligo, or itchy skin, and cutaneous T-cell lymphoma. Some newborn babies have hyperbilirubinemia and jaundice. These diseases affecting on the baby's eye, skin, and body tissues to turn a yellow color. When a red blood cell breaks down, that causes too much bilirubin, which the yellow color comes from. The phototherapy emits light to lower the baby's bilirubin level in the body. It is broken down the bilirubin to so the babies can get rid of the bilirubin properly. Device theory. So 60 years have handed given that phototherapy become invented to deal with neonatal jaundice. However, 0.4 to 2.7 according to 100,000 new children babies increase clinicatures. The phototherapy reduces the entire serum bilirubin, which called TSB. The TSB ranges by accelerating the isomerization of serum bilirubin into cyclobilirubin, which is likewise called bilirubin and phototherapy too. So in the instrumentation, the software and hardware are detailed in the figures explained how the device works. So here we have in the left figure, we have the lead array, lead driver circuit, and all are connected to the microcontroller. So in the cage here, on the left side, where babies will be on it, so there will be a load sensor, temperature sensor, and webcam, and the LCD for displaying the data and seeing the displaying the data of you need to put in the device. And also the circuit explained in the right side. The figure here we have AC signal connected to the power supply, and there will be a LED driver circuit connected to the Arduino, and two LED will be one in the top and LED array in the top and one in the bottom. So the hardware of the device, here we have the Arduino connected to the LCD, and here two LED, as you can see in the figure. So the components used in the circuit is microcontroller, LCD screen, load sensor, temperature sensor, and webcam. So technical aspects. The performance specifications. So in the light source, we have high bright blue LED, and the wavelength from 450 to 470 nanometer. Spectral irradiance, here we have 35 micro W over centimeter square nanometer at the 30 centimeter height. Effective surface area 50 multiply with 30. And moving on the electrical specifications, we have electric supply from 229 to 240 volts with 50 or 60 hertz frequency. Max rating 3 ampere and from 220 to 240, and the frequency is 50 or 60. So in the fuse we have 2 ampere, also the same in the max rating. Moving on the physical specifications, light unit 35.5 multiplied with 36 multiply 9 centimeter. Height 110 to 170 centimeters. Clearance of base 7.5 centimeters, and the light unit tilt adjustment minus or positive 180 degree. In the environmental specifications, operating temperature from 15 Celsius to 40, and the humidity from 0 to 95, non condensing, and the high temperature cut off from 85 Celsius. So in the conclusion, to sum up what we have done, the phototherapy device used for 60 years ago for treating hyperbilirubinemia and Jodas babies. The device uses LED light to break down the bilirubin in the body, which makes the yellow color in the patient or in the babies. In the device, there are two sensors, a load sensor and heat sensor. Also, a webcam for monitoring the baby. At the end, thank you for listening.